wisdom of Buddhism. Whether you're a spiritual seeker or simply curious, these 5 lessons from Buddhism can offer profound insights into leading a more mindful and fulfilling life. Let's dive in. The impermanence of all things. In Buddhism, impermanence, or anicca, teaches us that everything in life is transient. By understanding that all things are temporary, we learn to appreciate the present moment and reduce our attachment to material possessions and fleeting experiences. Embracing impermanence helps us cope with change and loss, allowing us to live more fully in the now. The power of mindfulness. Mindfulness, or sati, is the practice of being fully present and engaged in the current moment. Through mindfulness meditation, we develop greater awareness of our thoughts, emotions, and actions, leading to a deeper understanding of ourselves and our surroundings. By practicing mindfulness, we can reduce stress, enhance our focus, and cultivate inner peace. Compassion for all beings. Buddhism teaches metta, or loving kindness, which encourages us to extend compassion and kindness to all living beings. This practice helps us develop empathy and a sense of interconnectedness with others, fostering a more harmonious and compassionate world. Through compassion, we create positive ripples in our communities and build stronger, more supportive relationships. The middle way. The middle way, or Majjhima Patipada, is a core teaching in Buddhism that advocates for a balanced approach to life. It suggests avoiding extremes of self-indulgence and self-denial, and instead finding a harmonious path that nurtures both body and mind. By following the middle way, we can achieve a more sustainable and fulfilling lifestyle, avoiding burnout and maintaining equilibrium. The practice of letting go. Buddhism emphasizes the importance of non-attachment, or upekkha. Letting go of our attachments to desires, outcomes, and even our egos allows us to experience true freedom and inner peace. This doesn't mean we stop caring, but rather, we stop clinging to things beyond our control. Through letting go, we release unnecessary suffering and find greater contentment in life. These 5 lessons from Buddhism, impermanence, mindfulness, compassion, the middle way, and letting go, offer timeless wisdom for a more mindful and meaningful life. If you found these insights helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on mindfulness, spirituality, and personal growth.